Hey guys, so it's me Alexandria, and today I am back with a new video. And first and foremost, guys, I know the first thing you notice is my hair. This is kind of old, so this is probably not the best way to first show y'all, but I did do these myself. Like I said, they're kind of old, so that's why they look a little rough, but I do have a tutorial here on how I did these Havana twists on my own for the first time. I have a video. I will put the video link in the description box below to show you guys the tutorial on how you're gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna probably wear this for one more week and a half before I take them out. But anyways, this is not about these twists. This video today is about this kind of new. I should have reviewed this a long time ago because now it's not even that new anymore. But this is the Camille Rose Nangai and Tsubaki Strength and Restore Protein Treatment. If you guys did not already know, I did go to Texture on the Runway, and I do have a vlog on that. That video will be in the description box below, so you guys can see my whole experience of going to Texture on the Runway for the first time. But if you don't know, Texture on the Runway is a New York Fashion Week natural hair event, and in the goodie bag was this Camille Rose deep conditioner. If you don't know, like I said, Camille Rose did release they released a new line called the Around the World collection, which featured 3 different types of conditioning treatments: a protein treatment, a cholesterol treatment, and a moisture treatment. Each treatment came with the matching oil too. You have the matching oil going along with the deep treatment, but I in my goodie bag was the protein treatment, so that's the one I got. That's one I have tried out, and that is the one I am going to review for you guys today. I really want to go try the other ones, but if I do, I'll probably make a separate video for that. So this is, like I said, this Nangai, so I decided to use this. So this is a protein treatment on here, so I decided to use this when I felt like my hair needed a little bit of protein. So I waited a little bit, did a little bit of moisture treatments, waited a couple weeks until I felt like my hair was in that point where I needed a little bit of protein, and then I decided to grab this out to try this out, y'all. So first and foremost, the smell. I don't really know how to explain the smell. It kind of smells like hotel lotion. Like it doesn't have like a fruity scent or anything like that. It's not what I expected it to smell like. It just kind of smells very modest, very kind of hotel type of thing, where it's kind of like neutral, but it does have a scent to it, but it's kind of more on the neutral side. And it kind of like, I wouldn't say it smells very clean, but it kind of smells a little bit masculine, but it's not very fruity, floral, juicy. It's like very, I don't even know how to explain scents. Okay, next is the consistency, y'all. This is a very liquidy product. Oh gosh, as you guys can see there, it is very liquidy. It is not thick at all. I just made a mess. It is not thick at all, which I was really shook. I don't know why I was expecting a very thick product. It was very runny, and because it is so runny, it has amazing slip, y'all. When I applied this to my hair, the slip was amazing. Like, I was shook. Like, I honestly, this is the most slip I've ever seen a deep conditioner have for something that's not very thick. I usually assume that thicker products would have better slip, but this one, it was so runny and was so slippery through my hair, guys. That is the key standout in this product right here, is the fact that it has insane amounts of slip. The slip is just like out of this world, and when I was applying this to my hair, it was literally gliding through my hair. The slip in this product is probably the best thing in this product. The slip, and for a protein treatment, I was not expecting something with this much slip. It really helped with detangling, and it just feels so slippery. And as you guys can see, the consistency is very lightweight, so it does not feel heavy at all. And when I was looking through the ingredients, I realized it doesn't have any like heavy butters. It doesn't have shea butter or anything, so that's probably the reason why it doesn't feel buttery and thick. It literally doesn't have any heavy butters, so that's probably why it's so lightweight. Guys, it's so lightweight, so slippery. It just feels so good going it through my hair. I applied it to my hair and braided my hair up and set it under my steamer. And after I rinsed, the steam really helped the product really soak into my hair. My hair really absorbed this product so well. And then when I went to go rinse it out, it felt so good, but let me say, it felt so lightweight. Like, it didn't feel like, oh, I have this heavy product in my hair. It literally felt so lightweight. My hair felt free. It didn't feel like I said, it didn't feel like there was some heavy deep conditioner in my hair. My hair felt very soft. It did give my hair the protein it needed. It wasn't like an overpowering protein treatment. It wasn't like those protein treatments that make you feel like you have to go and follow up with the moisture treatment right after. It definitely was something that you can use as a protein treatment and go type thing. It's not something where you feel like you have to balance your hair out with moisture afterwards. You know how some protein treatments are so strong in protein that you feel like you have to use like a moisturizing leave-in conditioner after, or you have to follow up with a moisturizing conditioner or after or something, so your hair doesn't feel like it's too proteined. This is not the type of product that's going to do so. You're going to put it in your hair, it's going to give you a nice protein treatment, and you can still feel like you can follow the rest of your hair care routine like you normally would. You don't feel like you have to adjust it with extra moisture, is what, if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So this is a very perfectly balanced protein treatment. I really like this. Like I said, I really like this because of the slip. I really like it because of how lightweight it felt. It was refreshing to not have a product that's so heavy on my hair. But it also, I really liked it because it did give my hair that jolt of protein it needed. My curls were popping after I rinsed it out. It really had my curls just popping, which usually is what protein treatments do. Since they give your hair that protein, it allows your curls to really pop. It definitely did so, Loki. So it definitely gave me the results of a protein treatment without feeling like it was an overpowering protein treatment. I really do recommend this. I'm not sure the price of this product. From what I know from Camille Rose, this product is probably retail for 20 bucks. I do think it is worth the coin. As I said in all my reviews, I'm always going to tell you, is it worth the coin? It is really worth the coin. I do recommend that if you want a protein treatment, or if you're in the market for a protein treatment, I do say like you should give this a try. Did I ever even say the name of this product? This is their Nangai Tsubaki. I don't remember if I ever even said that. Their Nangai Tsubaki Strength and Restore protein treatment. And this one, it is the golden Nangai nut that is supposed to strengthen your hair with vitamins A, E, and beta carotene. And I don't really know, the ingredients are very, exotic. You know how this around the world collection is supposed to feature exotic ingredients that I don't really know how to pronounce, but I know they're great for your hair. So that is all for this. I really liked it overall. Like I said, I really like it. I do recommend that you go try it if you want. If you're in the market for a protein treatment. The matching hair oil, I was going to include that in this review too, since they technically kind of go together, but I haven't really used this too much. I really don't use oil in my hair very often. I used a few drops of this after I moisturize sometimes, and I'll show you guys a little bit of it. I guess it's kind of course, a very lightweight oil. It's a very thin oil. It does have a lot of sheen to it. It's something that's going to really give your hair a lot of shine. But it's a very thin oil. It's not like a thick oil like Jamaican black castor oil or something like that. It's a very thin oil that has a lot of shine, and that does really absorb well into my hair. But like I said, I can't really talk too much about that just because I haven't really used it enough and played around with it. The smell of this oil is the same as the smell of this one. They smell the same. So that is all for my review. I hope you guys enjoyed. I seem to get a lot of good feedback on my deep conditioner reviews, which is the reason why I do them so often. So if you have any deep conditioner reviews you want me to do, just leave them in the comments below. Like I said, a tutorial of this hair will be linked in the description, or you can go look at my last video. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I will see you guys in my next video.